an sa ato pagkakairiba. Para sa kaayatan, biriyo kita. Inian sa ako, Panginoon, na ikaw ako kita nagkakasarabutan. Nanuman an sa ato, di pagkaoroyonan, busainganon ka, dapat tandaan. Busainganon ka, busainganon kita. Panalmingan san pagkamuot, paglaong, pagkasarayo. Kita ang batong, masarig makusog, maoyoon ang busainganon. Kanana hamos na, urupod kita para sa ato bungto. Santa Magdalena, an sa ato na paghihingoha, ialay sa banwang namumutan. Busainganon ka, busainganon kita. Panalmingan san pagkamuot, paglaom, pagkasarayo. Kita ang batong, masarig makusog, maoyoon ang busainganon.
There's a place for us, somewhere a place for us, peace and quiet and open air, wait for us somewhere. There's a time for us, someday a time for us, time together, time to spare, time to learn, time to care. Someday, somewhere, we'll find a new way of living. Oh, we'll find a way of forgiving. Somewhere, somewhere. There's a place for us, a time and a place for us. Hold my hand, we have waited. Hold my hand, and I'll take you there. Somehow, someday, lead me, Lord, lead me by the hand and make me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can live apart. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me, walk by me across the lonely road of every day. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart. Lead me, Lord, all my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, oh Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even though at times I'd rather go alone my way. Help me take the right direction. Take your road. Lead me, Lord, never leave my side. All my days, all my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life, all through my days. Lead me, oh Lord, all my
Ever since my eyes revealed, and the vision that was fulfilled my race still remains. Within the sun.